It is MIT and MIT Sloan's commitment to the world that we will have more finance professionals in the field who are not only trained in advanced and quantitative skills and a good understanding of the market, but are grounded in ethical leadership. So let me tell you a little bit about the Master of Finance program at the Sloan School. Now, you might be in your final years of undergrad and you're contemplating, I like numbers, I have some interest in finance. Is this program right for me? Or you might have worked in the industry for a couple of years and you're thinking, I need to strengthen my understanding of finance principles. This program is perfectly suited for people like you. Our faculty are eminent global scholars, subject matter experts, Nobel laureates, practitioners. You get to learn actually from people who are shaping the way finance is operating in the world. And they're truly invested in making this experience very meaningful for you and giving you that foundation that'll serve you a lifetime. We have a very solid fundamental core which allows you to develop understanding of the global markets, really strengthen and advance your quantitative skills. But beyond that, it helps you to become a better professional as it sharpens your communication and your team skills. And then we have a finance action learning requirement that is tied to the ethos of MIT, which is mens et manus, mind and hand. Taking on this understanding of finance and global market and financial innovation, quantitative methods, and applying it in a team setting in a real context with companies. And then you're taking electives, not just across MIT Sloan, but also across various MIT courses and disciplines, from economics department or computer science or math department. And every MFin student gets an academic or a program advisor, a dedicated career advisor, and the advising team is also then supported by a very strong employer relations team. What makes me feel very excited about this program is also our alumni. They are your mentors. They sponsor action learning projects. They often find job opportunities for you, whether it's an internship or a full-time opportunity, and truly stay connected. And the best part of it all, you're going to be part of MIT. This is your infinite corridor of opportunities to explore, experiment, expand, and truly develop that global perspective, which will be the launchpad for your finance careers.